我需要梦想，需要方向，需要眼泪，更需要一个人来点亮天的黑。我已经无能为力，无法抗拒，无路可退。这无声的夜，现在的我需要人陪。闭上眼睛就看不清这双人床牵出的温馨。谁能陪我直到天明，穿透这片迷蒙寂静？我渐渐失去知觉，就当作是种自我逃避。你飞到天的边缘，我已不再落在何地。一个我需要梦想，需要方向，需要眼泪，更需要一个人来点亮天的黑。我已经无能为力，无法抗拒，无路可退。这无声的夜，现在的我需要人陪。一个我需要梦想，需要方向，需要眼泪，更需要一个人来点亮天的黑。我已经无能为力，无法抗拒，无路可退。这无声的夜，现在的我需要人陪。窗户让孤单透气，这一间屋子如此密闭，欢呼声仍飘在空气里，像空无一人一样华丽。我渐渐失去知觉，就当作是种自我逃避。你飞到天的边缘，我也不再落在何地。一个我需要梦想，需要方向，需要眼泪，更需要一个人来点亮天的黑。我已经无能为力，无法抗拒，无路可退。这无声的夜，现在的我需要人陪。闭上眼睛就看不清这双人床牵出的温馨。谁能陪我直到天明， 穿透这片迷蒙寂静。我渐渐失去知觉，就当作是种自我逃避。你飞到天的边缘，我已不再落在何地。一个我需要梦想，需要方向，需要眼泪，更需要一个人来点亮天的黑。我已经无能为力，无法抗拒，无路可退。这无声的夜，现在的我需要人陪。一个我需要梦想，需要方向，需要眼泪，更需要一个人来点亮天的黑。我已经无能为力，无法抗拒，无路可退。这无声的夜，现在的我需要人陪。窗户让孤单透气，这一间屋子如此密闭，欢呼声仍飘在空气里，像空无一人一样华丽。我渐渐失去知觉，就当作是种自我逃避。你飞到天的边缘，我也不再落在何地。一个我需要梦想，需要方向，需要眼泪，更需要一个人来点亮天的黑。我已经无路可退，这无声的夜，现在的我需要人陪。闭上眼睛就看不清这双人床前处谁能陪我直到天明，穿透这片迷蒙寂静。我渐渐失去知觉，就当作是种自我逃避。你飞到天的边缘，我已不再落在何地。一个我需要梦想，需要方向，需要眼泪，更需要一个人来点亮天的黑。我已经无能为力，无法抗拒，无路可退。这无声的夜，现在的我需 我需要梦想，需要方向，需要眼泪，更需要一个人来点亮天的黑。我已经无能为力，无法抗拒，无路可退。这无声的夜，现在的我需要人陪。窗户让孤单透气，这一间屋子如此密闭，欢呼声仍飘在空气里，像空无一人一样华丽。我渐渐失去知觉，就当作是种自我逃避。你飞到天的边缘，我也不再落在河底。一个我需要梦想，需要方向，需要眼泪，更需要一个人来点亮天的黑。我已经无路可退，这无声的夜，现在的我需要人陪。闭上眼睛就看不清这双人床前去谁能陪我直到天明，穿透这片迷蒙寂静。我渐渐失去知觉，就当作是种自我逃避。你飞到天的边缘，我已不再落在河底。一个我需要梦想，需要方向，需要眼泪，更需要一个人来点亮天的黑。我已经无能为力，无法抗拒，无路可退。这无声的夜，现在的我需要人陪。一个我需要梦想，需要方向，需要眼泪，更需要一个人来点亮天的黑。我已经无能为力，无法抗拒，无路可退。这无声的夜，现在的我需要人陪。 窗户让孤单透气，这一间屋子如此密闭，欢呼声仍飘在空气里，像空无一人一样华丽。我渐渐失去知觉，就当作是种自我逃避。你飞到天的边缘，我也不再落在何地。一个我需要梦想，需要方向，需要眼泪，更需要一个人来点亮天的黑。我已经无能为力，无法抗拒，无路可退。这无声的夜，现在的我需要人陪。闭上眼睛就看不清这双人床牵出的温馨，谁能陪我直到天明，穿透这片迷蒙寂静。我渐渐失去知觉，就当作是种自我逃避。天的边缘，我已不再落在何地。一个我需要梦想，需要方向，需要眼泪，更需要一个人来点亮天的黑。我已经无能为力，无法抗拒，无路可退。这无声的夜，现在需要人陪。一个我需要梦想，需要方向，需要眼泪，更需要一个人来点亮天的黑。我已经无能为力，无法抗拒，无路可退。这无声的夜，现在的我需要人陪。
Hello, hello, test. Okay, hi, we have another 2 minutes to start our live today. Nice to see you guys here. I appreciate if you can share this video out to your stock friend. Thank you very much.
这一间屋子如此密闭，欢呼声仍飘在空气里，像空无一人一样华丽。我渐渐失去知觉，就当作是种自我逃避。你飞到天的边缘，我也不再落在何地。一个我需要梦想，需要方向，需要眼泪，更需要一个人 需要人陪。闭上眼睛就看不清这双人床牵手的温馨。谁能陪我直到天明，穿透这片迷蒙寂静。我渐渐失去知觉，就当作是种自我逃避。你飞到天的边缘，我已不再落在何地。
Okay. Hello, 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 test. Okay, I think you can hear my voice now. Hi, dear Homely members and investors. Okay, hi everyone. Good afternoon. Okay, happy to see you today. Today is Tuesday, 28th, 29th, 29th already. Close to this the second day of this week, right? Having passive income to earn is homely. Is it the time to share this one for you? Actually, it's our goal, right? Everyone's goal to have passive income in this share market. And the homely would be helpful if you also take homely training. But how's your feelings today? Yeah, as I put the topic here, market arrangements, and then keep refining your techniques. Techniques means there's no big chance in today's market, right? But before I start my life, I had still find some investors want to do average down in the glove shares because glove shares stop again. So do you remember yesterday's topic? We said that the case coronavirus is start the second wave. Okay, start the second wave. So is it a chance for glove one? Yesterday we didn't say it's glove one. We know that there's two kind of shares, kind of a strong one, but still haven't bounced back to the normal uptrend level. So it's still far away for us to do average down. And today the market give you the answer, drop again. So don't always rush to do average down when you see the price drop, okay? Otherwise, always dangerous, always risky. It's high risky. Okay, if you're the first time to watch my live, this is a brief introduction. This is MG from Home Malaysia. So every trading day at around 1:10 to 2 p.m. we have this trading day shares analysis, and we're gonna share some brief market analysis in US and Malaysia market, and also will diagnosis your shares. So you can just WhatsApp us, WhatsApp me your share code number, entry price, and your trading cycle, so that I can give you the details of the share. Yeah, if you put the full term, I can put it here. Excuse me. Yeah, just put it here already. Can just WhatsApp your share code number, entry price, and the trading cycle to 011-1652-7962. Then we can give you the details of the shares. And another, continue for few months already, I think, this program. But actually, there is a gentle reminder that starting tomorrow, my platform, my live will move from YouTube to Facebook because of the device problem. Okay, because of the device problem. So if you still want to receive my live and want to attend, then you can just add my WhatsApp into your contact list. Then I will also send you this live link before the live starts. Okay. And okay, also thanks again for your support. Okay, as always. So from today, we'll move to the Facebook one, okay? And okay, yeah, good afternoon. We have some new friends here also. Josephine and Kay Xiao, Xin, Lam, and Miss Wang, Aaron, Frederick, Silver, Ing, and Malcolm. Okay, good afternoon. And this is a disclaimer. This video is purely for study and discussion, not for call buy and sell, so can trade with your own risk. Now we can take a look about our whole market first. We can start with the Dow Jones first. Dow Jones this week also will gonna be very volatile because there are so many news, right? So many news. Yeah, by the way, I've already put the yeah, good afternoon, Ronan. Okay, so yeah, this week a lot of news are gonna be gonna be coming. So we take a look at the Dow. Last night is kind of a good one, right? And the presidential debate also come in. So there are some good news or not. Yesterday we used this long and short one to analyze. Yesterday the Dow Jones, you see the correction. Whole trend is still uptrend, right? Whole trend kind of breakdown the uptrend, and there is also no big profitable effect. The red chips of the multicolored dragon is around 11%, not much, but the long and short fund yesterday we just said the momentum, the energy of the sellers. Okay, actually last night weakened becomes to hollow already. The hollow means that the energy of the short already decreased. So in short term, we can see the price also kind of a break up this downtrend line. So short term, it's kind of a chance last night. But is it the best time for us to enter? And you say that, okay, the correction finished already. Actually, if you are aggressive one, you can enter, no problem. The better one, generally, we can just wait. There is a correction after this breakout, and the correction didn't hit a new low. For example, it just gets support by this trend line, and then you buy in the second time is more safe. Okay, I will draw again little bit. Okay, I will draw again. So for example, now we have this downtrend line here, right? This downtrend line. And now is the breakout time. Okay, breakout time actually, of course, is a buy point. But if you want to be more safe, okay, you can just wait until this bounce back finished. I don't know if here or where. Later on, we have a correction. If correction, lowest correction will have support. Get it with this downtrend line, and then you buy. Here is more safe. The second point. The second point is more safe for you. And of course, maybe you will just like this one also can because it didn't must go to this area. I just said you have another support to double confirm is more safe, okay? And but if you are kind of aggressive one, of course you can do a short term, no problem. And the momentum of the short also decrease, okay, also decrease. And but we know that this week also have non-farm payroll data will released. So many news will be increased, stimulate. And the last night also have the good news. Stimulate news seems to be passed, about to pass. So this good news also improve the confidence of the investors. So this is the one. And then about NASDAQ, we also take a look because it's the technology one, the technology share, technology sectors. So this one also, before in this kind of this way, we can draw a line. Also breakout last night with 1.8%. If you have USJ, you can also send your share code number, entry price, and your trading cycle to me. I can also diagnosis for you. Okay, then how about the KLCI? KLCI still sideways here. Even today, still sideways. And you know why? this is a very potential critical point of the weekly chart before we have joined for a few times already. So if you just draw a line here, reach the surface, and you can see it's just reach this downtrend line, okay, and go sideways for 4 weeks already. You see this one, after breakdown, 3 weeks below the line, and this week haven't finished it. Now it's slightly positive, but cannot say breakout, and it's not a good signal because this 3 candlestick is below this downtrend line. Okay, so before we also said the time will digest, and we also replace the game, the space. So actually, it's not very good sign. More be careful, right? Be careful. And another thing is that we got another second wave of the coronavirus, but the glove sectors haven't bounced back strongly, just very slightly. We can take a look about the healthcare sector. So we take a look about the daily chart, and we can see have some bounce back, but it's still below the line. You can only do short term. Short term, we can see there is a higher low already. But we know that today it's kindly drop again. So we can take a look about the sectors of today. Sectors. So you can find that healthcare have another 1.7% drop. Okay, a heavy drop today throughout all the other sectors. The only technology keep increasing now with 1.15%. Financial service also have slightly increased. And then others is just make even slightly up or slightly down. Totally today only 400 shares increase. Still remember yesterday's? Yesterday have 500 plus increase, so today is weaker. At least yesterday the healthcare have some strong bounce back, right? But today no healthcare, only have 400 shares increase and 490 shares decrease. Have for 470 shares make even, so it's not so strong one. So no good shares to play seems. Okay, not strong one. Very small short term, no problem. And also you need to find strong shares. So when we mention about the strong shares, we can also use the dark horse filter before we have to talk this. But why I didn't say every day? Because I don't want to mislead you that you always trade. Actually, for most of the investor, take a rest is a better method. It's a better strategy. Okay, but if you really want to do, make sure you have a very good method, have been tested in the market already, and have a powerful tool to always make sure you safeguard yourself in the market. So we can see this dark horse filter. You can filter still have some strong shares, but not everyone you can trade. Make sure you will have strong one, and then wait for the right time to entry. Wait for your time zone, for your time reason. Yeah, at this time you can just send me when we waiting for the filtering. And another thing, tonight we have a preview class, the monthly summary and the layout, summary of this month and the layout for next month. And we already know that the September is not very good month this year, right? Before we said golden September, actually it's not so applicable in the Malaysian market. And this year in US seems not so. And the beginning of this month, we also shared you the period history chart of for KLCI, and you can see most of the September month is not so good. So the summary and the layout of this month and next month is very important for you. Tonight we will tell you how to buy low and sell high if you're still trading in uptrend, and how to select strong shares, and then direction. How to buy direction is always very important for you. So you can also register this number, this class with my WhatsApp. Only open for 20 seats for free. Not everyone can attend. If you have already attended home list class for few times, they cannot attend. Members can attend for free, no problem. Okay, we see only 36 of them. Only 36 of them are strong one, are stronger than the index. Okay, stronger than the index. So for example, we just take any one of them. For example, this one very strong with banker tips 93%, so strong one. Before also have the buy point with the red circle. The first red circle is the buy point. 9 days have 17%, 70% in current market. When the whole market drop, when the whole most of the shares decrease, it's kind of a good one. We can also take a look at today's chart. Today's chart. Today also have slightly up 1.62. Not much, but it's safe one. Okay, members say teacher always filter so the structures increase so much already. Yeah? I say now it's arrangements. The market volatile. Make sure you save first and then you, how to say, make money, right? It's not the time for us to bottom catch. Okay, so be careful. And we have many other one, right? Maybe other one, and you can take a look. This one always strong one, right? Always strong one. This one euro also very strong one. Seems have top dragon returns. Dragon returns last Friday. You see, 2 days only. Dragon returns 2 days. You have 21% already. This is you have the method. This is the time you can just enter again because the red circle, the first red circle is a buy point. You have chance again. If you don't know, then you dare not because it dropped for a long time already. Today also, for example, today slightly up, still in doji, now, but banker chips still have 92%. Okay, now it's our time to check your shares. No problem. You can just leave your message there. Okay, we're gonna check. First one from Freddie. Freddie, you told me the Care Plus. I remember. 好心痛 Why? 今天好低的 Care Plus 0163 Care Plus. Today 4% drop. And 4% drop Care Plus. What do you mean? 心痛 means that you haven't sold or low price area or what? I remember before you have or not. Sorry, too many investors. I cannot remember very clearly. So far, 71% of this Care Plus. And before we also join the lines and still haven't break out the previous high. Already break out this downtrend line, but current previous new low, new high haven't break out. Okay, this one break out already, but this one haven't. Have resistance and drop back. Today have 4% drop. So today is the time to sell, right? We go to hourly chart and we use the also can use the red and white circle, no problem. Red white circle also good. The first white circle is the sell point. Okay, the first white circle. The price, the time is last Friday. Last Friday, 3 p.m. is the sell point. Have you sold or not? Yesterday, no chance. Yesterday, no chance. So hourly chart also have sell point. Be careful, right? Be careful. Till now, the circle haven't turned to red yet. So still no buy point. Okay, still no buy point. Even you do short term, you should sell here earlier. Okay, sell here earlier. And of course, if you want to use the trend expert, no problem. Also no buy point, right? Even more sensitive here, sub point, but you also have sell point. Yesterday, 4 p.m. also have a sell point. Also have a sell point. Later on, okay, the major line also turns to green color already. Be careful, okay? And the half software is one thing. The second thing displayed by following the software. Because emotion things we cannot control, I can always remind you that you follow the market, listen to the software, because software listen to the market. And the next one, today high price. Bin Tai from Miss Young. Okay, Bin Thai 6998. Entry price 2 215, a little bit higher. Bin Thai also, before we have shared, we have diagnosis. It just meet the previous high, right? The resistance, it didn't break out and then it dropped. Today keep continue drop 3.6% drop. And your entry price, Inari at the 2.4 short to medium term, is time to sell now. Eh? Oh, sorry, it's not this one. Sorry, Inari. Why I see Bin Thai? Inari. Inari also have resistance. It's a strong share. It's very strong share. You see, bankers have around, okay, you see, bankers have around 68, 62%, 68%. But it also meet resistance by the previous high. Previous high is 238. Now it's 233. Have another 5 cents. It haven't break out yet. Before this time haven't break out, and currently also meet resistance. Your enterprise 238. Wow. Oh, no. Your enterprise 215. 215. I think 215 is around 215 is around here. Okay. And you don't meet the short term. I think you go to hourly chart. It's time. If this afternoon it turns to green, you can take a profit. Okay. Yeah, there is a selling pressure. You are absolutely right. So if it cannot break out this one, and then you can just sell. But the good thing is that you can say, last time it meet the resistance, the banker chips didn't increase and slightly decrease. Means that the funds haven't verified, haven't double confirmed the breakout. But this time is better one because the banker chips keep increasing. So next thing is that we just wait. There is hourly chart. If have sell point, we can sell. If we did no sell point, you still can hold it because not every time we need to sell. If the price meet the resistance, the strong shares also might break out the resistance. Okay, so if we just also draw a line here, okay, draw a line here from this previous high and connect this low point. If we just draw line like this, down, I will make it like this. If you draw line like this, it's better one, right? So it seems that already break out this downtrend line, but not means that the previous high is not resistant. The previous high 238 is still what? Is still previous resistant. So, but the good thing I just said, have for banker chips double confirm this uptrend. If it remain or increase, still have possibility to break up the previous high. Okay, but just now we have checked in hourly chart, there is no sell point yet. But this time, you see, last time, banker chips didn't remain, just drop. So I just get back. Okay, just get back. So this is from Miss Young. And the next one, important. Stephanie kept top glove 7113 a daily chart. Today also have 4% drop. And before we also draw lines with this one. Banker chips is 40%, only 40% now. Okay, we also draw a line here. It just didn't break out. Okay, didn't break out. I think last Friday, right? I think it's last Friday. We already drawn this line. And just now, at that time, as I said, if didn't break out, you just stop. You just sell. Okay, you just sell. So you can see didn't break out, and we go to hourly chart. Also have sell point. Yesterday, 3 p.m. have sell point, and today the major line already become green color. Be careful, right? Green color. So actually, you should sell earlier. But your question is coming. How about medium long term? We use the rainbow. The rainbow. The blue line is the medium long term, more than half year. Okay, it didn't break down. If you can tolerate this correction risk, no problem. Okay. But one thing, benchmark, the capital benchmark is the 50%. Now it's only 40%. So even you do medium long term, I still suggest you can reduce some portion because the banker chips already less than 40%. We really to combine these two, cannot only check the price, right? And we combine the capital. Capital haven't follow up, so you can you need to be careful. And so you do short term, your entry price is 809. So Stephanie, you know how to do now, right? Few days, yeah, you go to hourly chart. Actually, you still have some point already. Find the rebound to take your profit. What is this? Please check Islam. Okay, next one. Justin. Okay, Justin Lu. Justin Lu want to check the bin type. Okay, just now we also take a look already. A bin type to hold or sell. I'm using silver ink. Oh, silver ink is you. Okay. And Gmail. Okay, no problem. We check here. And the bin type, we just say already, have meet the resistance by the previous high. It didn't break out. So few days ago, you should sell, okay? Your entry price, what is entry price? Banker chips in bin type today. You see our banker chips only 22% already. And I guess you do short term, right? You do short term, then only 22%, also have sell point earlier in hourly chart. And also the bin type already break down the major line. It's very dangerous. So today 11 o'clock already break down. Be careful. Today have 3.6% drop. If you're long term, I just also answer your question. Although it's still standing above the yellow line, but there's no big funds to verify. Banker chips only 22. So even you do long term, you can also reduce the portion. I think less than 50% of your capital in this share because fund is not enough. You use another 50 capital to do short term and another 50 or less than 50 of your portion to do long term. Okay. Justin, okay. Next one, Agnes, MI. What's the code number? Can you send me? Thanks. Next one. David Wu. DRH. DRB. And DRB is also strong share, but I don't know. You only send me the idea. Please send me your entry price and trading cycle. Then I will give you the details. Okay, David Wu. And the next one, Freddy 0155. 0155. What's your trading platform? Your enterprise and trading cycle? Please tell me. I will send you the details. It's kind of a strong share, but it's in deep correction now. Be careful. And the next one, Woon. Woon 525202. 52 MSN. Long term. Long term. Problem. Because long term downtrend. Banker chips is 0%. Retailer is 97%. Maybe I guess you want to bottom catch. Now let's see whether have bottom catch signal or not. And it's very risky for us to do the bottom catch recently. Right? You are really anti-market. And is really lead the break. Okay, we check about the weekly chart. You see, this is weekly chart. Any support or not if you want to bottom catch? Seems You see, this is weekly chart. Seems still in downtrend. We use monthly chart also can. Downtrend, and maybe have very slightly downtrend. We just draw a line here. Okay, draw a line here. Still in downtrend. Rebound here. Maybe if you say the support is around here, half price of this positive candle, the price here is around 46. Currently, the price is 48, but very slightly, how to say, very slightly support. At least, okay, at least it will go up with a higher low. You then consider to buy. So far, the downtrend haven't finished yet. It means that this drop haven't stopped yet. So you need to wait. Okay, you need to wait. Then when you go to the daily chart, you see our daily chart also. You will use the trend expert. Still green color. No buy point. No buy point means the price haven't dropped and the trend is not so good. It's really challenging for us to do this long term. It's not the time. It's not the time. You can find many strong shares to do long term. Now is not the bottom catch time because it's very risky. You use the software. We just filter so many shares, right? We filter so many shares. You choose any of them with a lot of bankers is better than yours. Okay, better than yours. Be careful. Okay, be careful. And now we continue to check in the comments. Okay, comments. And okay, the diagnosis I will put this diagnosis for you. The diagnosis, you can just click this diagnosis, then come to my WhatsApp, then I can check for you easier. And the Lamborghini 9954 RGT. It's a strong share, no problem. And the price is 49. Short medium term, still in correction. If in daily chart, this is daily chart, right? Still in correction to see whether it break out this line or not of today's chart. 9954. Today haven't break out yet. Still short-term bounce back. And with bankers, 83%. The good thing is that compared to yesterday, no retailers, just a little bit slowly. We go to hourly chart. Also, still red color, still consider to hold, no problem. Miss One, yeah, Aaron. And yeah, good afternoon, Charlie, 7155. Charlie Chia. This is a very strong share with banker tips, 93%. This is the one you can trade long term. It's not okay. You don't say that, okay, it's too high. As long as the bankers haven't leave, why not? You see, many strong shares. For example, the Frankenas bullish for so long time because bankers always inside. Short middle to short term 1.5 middle to short term. I guess you just entry recently because the entry price is around 1.5. The price is around here 1.5. Oh, little bit lower here. I guess you enter around here because here is a 148. So when they are trend expert, you a member, right? Because this is the price you enter. Till now, you see he didn't sell when it turns green because the bar is standing above the major line. Is okay because he might also checked there is a bankers inside, so no problem. Till now, there's no sell point. Congratulations, I still make money, and now still continue increase 1.6%. No sell point. Banker tips keeps increasing. Even in hourly chart also increased to 75%. No retailer can consider to hold, keep holding, no problem. So this is a safe shares you can trade, no problem, right? Don't find a very weak share or get one. Malcolm 7062 and okay, we talked about the whole trend. The whole trend is not so stable. And you see the candlestick is inactive. The candlestick only one. It's only one candle. can only do short term, can only do short term. And you bought at 2, now you have 28 cents already. Congratulations. Can keep few days, less than 1 week. Your strategy can only medium short term because it's too volatile. Okay, too volatile. And we'll go to hourly chart. Hourly chart, you see, not so active, and we can just use the trend expert, no problem. Now it's still red color, can consider to hold. Today have 12%, no problem. Later on, when it turns green, can take your profit. Cannot last for too long. I just said you also very volatile. One day drop also big one. You see, for example, this one, this one day 15% drop, right? So one day 12% increase rally, so very volatile. Need to follow the software to take a profit in time. And Frederick 000034, is it coming back? I haven't checked this for a long time. Oh, seems coming back. You bought the warrant. I bought the warrant. Short term, no problem. And the medium to short term. No. By medium term. Medium term. Medium long or medium short? So you can see your entry price is what? I don't know. So far, I think medium short term, no problem. You go to hourly chart, still uptrend, but still below the major line. You use small capital, can do, no problem. No sell point because the bar is green, is red. But later on, when you reach to the major line, will have some resistance. If it didn't break out, you just take a profit in time. Pang 528284. Looters. These shares, okay, also have resistance. We just draw a line, very easy to judge. Okay, excuse me. Easy to judge. Okay, so you can just draw a line here from here to here. Okay. So this is the trend line. What can you find it? What can you find? So this is the previous high. First time trying to break out but failed. This is the third time, the second time. Okay, the second time. And then at the same time, we can see that the banker chips before here, it just remains, didn't break out, right? This time is weaker. So your trading cycle is medium short term. Okay, so I guess today no buy point, need to sell, consider to sell. Today 1.4% drop. Okay, we take a look at the hourly chart. Hourly chart, the trade expert have sell point. Yesterday 5 p.m. have sell point already. Today no buy chance, so you should sell yesterday 5 p.m. Okay. Make sure you follow the software. I remember right? Follow the software. And market arrangement, what is the definition? Means market volatile arrangements a lot. So you see KLCI go inside too strong shares to trade. Otherwise, you just take a rest. Brian Dew still can hold. Which one you give me two? Top class, do you have chance to go up or not? Okay, I cannot tell you. You follow the marker. Now have resistance, right? Have resistance. So far, you cannot stay inside. Just now, we also draw a line here, right? In daily chart, we just draw a line. It meet the resistance, didn't break out. So be risky. This is risky. Recently cannot enter. At least so far it's still in dropping area. Brian Dew, Snowflake. Brian Dew, you put your entry price. Snowflake. Oh, slightly banker chips now. Yeah, new shares, right? 9% last night. Okay, so far no retailer. This is a very good sign. Okay, very good sign. So last night in mini chart you can consider, but if you didn't, if you do medium long term, because I don't know your trading cycle, if you do medium long term, tonight you can trying to find the entry point in the mini chart. But small portion because the banker chips only 7%. Okay, only 7%. We can just draw a line like this one. Okay, later on you need to break out this one, right? Need to break out. So far like this one. Put the right format, the entry price and your trading form. I will choose the one first. And 220. Now you make $30 set percent. $30. Congratulations, brand new. Okay. And another thing, except tonight's preview class of English, tomorrow night tomorrow night also have Mandarin Mandarin 月度行情解析与下月操作布局 is a preview class. You can also register with my WhatsApp. No problem. And last time we have time to download another few shares. I will check my WhatsApp because you use the right format. Rachel N 0022 every day. Palo, do they have a rebound? Rebound is the rebound means the correction finish or not. We need to check the bounce back is the strong one or weak one. So we can see banker chips 60%. Okay, this bounce back actually is still below this morning, still below half of this negative candle. So it's not strong bounce back. Of course, you still can hold it because still in bounce back. If this afternoon, the half price of this positive negative candle is around 38. Now it's 375, another 5 cents, another 5 cents. If this afternoon can stand in above, then it's better one. If it can stand in above half of this portion, next one is this half position of this negative candle. Price is 47. Okay, so far no problem. But if this afternoon it didn't break out, then be careful. We go to hourly chart. Also use the trend expert to check. You see the bounce back is still below the major line. So you know it's very weak bounce back. This afternoon, if it can just keep going on, better just break out the major line, then means it's a kind of a safe one. You can add more portion if you break out the major line. So far, you can consider to hold because trend expert still mention you the buy point. But we also need to check the deviation. Okay, check the deviation, whether have deviation or not. This is very fast share. So far, it's BBD also below the 0.9. Okay, also need to wait until you break up the 0 axis. Okay, so this is the one. And for real-time survey, can we set alarm by buy and sell signal? Cannot. Money. And Miss Tan, I think this is Miss Tan, JCY. Can you put the entry price and the trading cycle? Esther Sin, 7201 MTech. Okay, so we take a look about the long-term correction area now. Okay, banker chips 56%. Your entry price is 76. You do short term, so I think we can also draw a line here. We can also draw a line from the area till here, around here. Okay, no problem. And so far you can see slight correction with bankers inside. So we can go to you trade medium short term, go to hourly chart. Hourly chart there is a buy point here today 11 o'clock have buy point very slightly one. So only 0.69%. And so means that now we can consider to hold, no problem. But in daily chart, we still need to see the next resistance. Okay, need to wait for the next resistance. Although just now, recently already break out this one. Although break out this one, we can draw another line like here. Okay, we can draw a different line. This is the current resistance you're gonna meet. Okay, next resistance. You put a mouse here, the price is around 77, 77. The price you enter. So if it cannot break out, short term no chance. Okay, so short term no chance, need to wait for another time. In the next one, hold on. Okay, still have some investor. I didn't check because I'm not okay, because you didn't put the right form, so make sure you put the right form, then I can give you the details. I can also save our time. No problem. And more things, one more things you want to know more about Harmony Software. We have the cost tonight, and we have a package details here. Half year 6,000 plus. Lifetime package is 30,000 plus. If you want to know more details about this one, you can contact my WhatsApp 011 1652796. And of course, we also have a branch in KL Central, JB Austin High, and the Penang Hotel Royal. You can also contact my WhatsApp to book your one-to-one coaching 011 1652796. Okay, thanks for your watching, and remember, stay healthy, stay green, and stay positive. Okay, thank you for your watching today, and don't forget to give me a like and share this video out to your friend. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Another thing, okay, if you want to keep receiving my live diagnosis, conduct at my WhatsApp, then I can send you the live. From tomorrow, I will move to Facebook platform. Okay, thank you very much, and see you next time.
一个我需要梦想，需要方向，需要眼泪，更需要一个人来点亮天的黑。我已经无能为力，无法抗拒，无路可退。这无声的夜，现在的我。